No, we don't touch it with our hands. No, no, no. Jack, are you happy? This is a bigger one, huh?
Mama, please.
Mama, please what?
Mama, please.
I don't want to splash. I don't have my boots on. Mama didn't bring her boots.
Mama, this foot.
Well, we have to go back home. I don't want to go all the way back home. Why don't you play? Are you happy?
Yes.
Splash. Gotta get them all, huh?